YHB Riley. Yeah. Another person meet again. Fuck it. 1 + 1 guarantee is 2. And I got your girlfriend coming over in my room. Yeah, I take her to my dorm. Yeah, I beat her out the door. And I leave her ass dead. 2. Prove it, nigga, I can sweep your ass like a broom. Shoot you niggas how you dead, running fast, jumping brooms. Run behind your room, you can run behind the house. Cause the chopper's coming through, busting through like Mickey Mouse. Don't wanna see me hatchet, I don't play no games. Pussy nigga, you a lame. Jackie rob you for your chain. Loosen up your whole brain. Heavy laying on the ground, and I just tell you, let's get some ground beef and chop it down. And I don't play shit, and I don't spray quick. I ask questions later and make a mace, bitch. But I don't play with these rookies and these pussies, cause your girl, she giving pussy, yeah, she always giving cookies. That's how I feel, that's how I'm feeling. A criminal, whatever you're a villain. I'm smoking good weed, good smoke to the ceiling. You don't wanna see me, yeah, out in the office killing shit. Recording nigga on the iPhone. She sending pictures saying, daddy, he ain't home. So I be coming over in my Range Rover, fucker on the stove and leave nut up on the covers. No Danny Glover, I don't do it, dawg. And if you want it, come and see me, we can shoot it out. Cause I got T-Dougie and T-Man on the east side. Shoot you nigga, leave your day sting like a beehive. You don't wanna see me cause these choppers shooting knee high. Leave your dead nigga, then I tell you won't say bye to your mama or your kids. Nigga, yeah, we do this shit. You don't wanna see me crip game, yeah, I'm blue and shit. Yeah, I'm hotter than the stove, man. I'm hotter than the world with warming up the globe. Yeah, you wanna see me, but you better get your glasses. I'm a gangster nigga, I didn't go to fucking classes. Now I'm cutting shit down like niggas is molasses. Better shut you niggas, I'm tired.